up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. And in today's Surprise Sunday, I have friend mail. So I normally don't do multiple videos on Surprise Sunday, but I really wanted to put this one out there because this friend mail is from Christmas. So I'm already super late getting this out to everybody, and I definitely wanted to give these two people a shout out on my channel. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so I have 3 pieces of friend mail to go over with you today, so I'm so super excited. Let's jump in. The first one is from Jean's Junk, and I can show you the address because this is my P.O. box. It is in the description box of all of my videos and in my About section, and this is also Jean's P.O. box. I think it's here. There you go. So she also has it listed in her videos as well. So I saw her make this on her channel, and it was so cool to watch her make it, and it's so cool to see it in person. It looks super cute. Jean, you did a great job. Love the decoration. She has a nice little sticker on the back that says Merry Christmas. Awesome. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, I can't get it opened. There we go. It says, I sure hope you make it through this Christmas season with no migraine headaches, no nervous breakdowns, no uneaten fruitcake. I don't like fruitcake. No extra pounds. I don't know about that. And no unreturnable gifts. Ooh, there's something in here. Ooh. Wow. Okay. So it says, so you can relax and enjoy the greatest gift, Jesus. Awesome. It says, always Jean. So it says, really glad I finally found your channel. Really love your enthusiasm. So super cute. Here's the card, guys. I never did show it to you. I was so excited just to start reading it. It is so super cute. Love it. And here's the inside of it. So awesome. Why, thank you, Jean. And then this fell out of it. A Freeman Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. Wow! Awesome! So that's so cool. I do mask all the time, guys. I do not do Mask Monday, but I do put mask on all the time, so I'll definitely be using this. I'm super excited. Thank you, Jean. It's so cute and sweet of you to think of me. So I also have another one from Jean, and it's a thank you. It says thank you right here, and then it says I can do all things through Christ which strengthen me. So here's the sticker on the back. I hate to rip that sticker on the back. I really do. Let's try not to. Successfully did not rip it. Awesome. Okay, so it says thank you. Confetti. So it says with love and thanks right here. So super cute. And then we have some confetti that is falling out. I'm just going to put it on my little table here. Oops. So it says, Amber, you did a fabulous job on the beautiful pink tree. I sure do love it. The shooting reindeer are a hoot. They hit the wall and stick. It's great. I thought she would get a kick out of those. I love all the treasures you sent. It was so unexpected. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, Jean. So that's nice. How sweet. So she sent me a thank you card. That is so nice. And it's purple. Loving the purple. The confetti is so cute. This is awesome. Well, you are quite welcome, Jean. I enjoy giving people things, and that's just something that I like to do. So don't be surprised if you see something else coming in the mail. I'm actually working on my next batch of friend mail. I've added some people to my list, so who knows? Maybe you'll get something from me very soon. You'll have to be on the lookout. Okay, so the next one is from Jean Louise. Yay! Look at that. She's got some cool envelope that she used with the snowflakes on there. Very nice. Let's open it up and see what Jean sent me. So awesome. Ooh, this looks like fun. Oh, I can't get it out. Oh, the red truck. I love it. Merry Christmas. Look at the red truck. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. This is a great card. Okay. Explanation in future video. Okay. She's got a couple of ladybugs on here. So it says, Amber and family have a season filled with beautiful moments. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. XO love, Jean. She's got these 2 ladybugs on here. What's that about, Jean? I don't know if she posted the video. I'm a little behind on my videos because of Christmas is my busiest time of year, and I've actually started my next batch of friend mail, so that takes me a while too because I'm just an over-the-top person. But I'm curious. You've got me intrigued, Jean. So if you guys have not checked out Jean's Junk or Jean Louise's channel, make sure that you jump over there and check them out. They are two very lovely ladies. They do a lot of unboxings and all kinds of other stuff on their channels. I'm sure that you will love watching them as much as I do. So make sure that you check both of their channels out. That's all I got for you guys in this video. I just wanted to share with you the friend mail that I got. And you know what? I did buy a lot of stuff before I go. Kimmy from Kimmy's Boxes, another great channel. If you guys haven't seen her, she's super fun to watch. She sent me a gift card to Dollar Tree. I did use that gift card, and I was going to show you some of the stuff that I bought. And like I always say, I can't go in Dollar Tree and walk out of there without spending less than $50. I spent $52. So Kimmy paid for half of my purchase, and I paid for the other half. But a lot of the things that I got, I'm using in my current friend mail that I'm going to send out. So I didn't think it was a good idea to show you guys that stuff. So you're going to see it in other people's videos. Because, I mean, it's like a lot of packing and stuff. I mean, the gifts that I bought aren't from the Dollar Tree. But, yeah, I just didn't want to give away everything that I was, like, working on. So, anyways, Kimmy, thank you so much for that gift card. It went to great use. I got some pretty awesome stuff, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what I did or what I got, because you're going to see it in videos. I'm going to show you how I made all this stuff and put it together, but I don't want to show you guys until I send out the friend mail, which I'm going to do here in a few weeks. So anybody who is on Amber's friend mail list will get something, and the list has expanded since my last shipment. So you could be on my list. You might not be on my list. I guess you'll have to wait and see. All right, guys. That's all I got for you this time. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up? That was weird. Try it again. But this friend mail is from Christmas. I had to do this better. This is so messed up. And in today's additional bonus video... Say it like that. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and it's Surprise Sunday. Did that work? I feel like it didn't. Okay, guys, so I don't check my P.O. box all that often, and that's probably... No. Okay, guys, so I don't check my P.O. box that often, and that's where this mail was at, so that's why I'm kind of getting it late to you guys, but nonetheless, here it is. And okay, that was dumb. Okay, guys, so I have 3 pieces of friend mail for you today, and the first couple of envelopes. Yes. Okay, guys, so I just have 3